Thanks, I'm Mark.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome everyone, Everett.
Welcome everyone.
Welcome. Welcome to our channel, Yogurt Face. We're gonna reattempt our hike that we did the other day. We bought a new kid carrier backpack, so we're gonna give that a go and try and get all the way to the waterfall.
Ew. Yep, that's the plan. The kids are having a snack before nap, and then we're gonna head out and go for an adventure.
And I'm making cookies because I'm a fatty.
The best of the best.
No, 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 no. We want Everett.
Have your snack before bed. We're upstairs in the kids' bathroom right now getting Layla ready for the day. Gotta do something with his hair. Layla, you're so pretty. I'm just sitting here in the kids' room, reading books to them and playing with them before nap.
Read
books. So since Jeff is in the military, this house is not our forever house. So I've never really bothered to decorate it the way I want to. Maybe when we live somewhere more permanent, I'll do that. But for now, it is what it is, and it's good. It's livable. Huh. Huh, Layla? Are you just sleepy? Layla's in this weird stage where she likes to hold food in her mouth. It's probably been like 30 minutes and she has a mouthful of granola. So I'm gonna have to pry it out of her mouth in a minute. It's pretty gross. It's a very weird stage. Layla, give it to mom. Give it to mommy. Please. Can I have what's in your mouth? I guess that's a no. Okay, let's do Knuckle Bunny. Fashion petals. No, I very badly need a happy song.
No, to go with the kid.
No, I need what, Goose?
We got a little bit of a late start to our day, but the kids are down for a nap now. I think Olga's making a coffee. I'm gonna make some lunch and we're gonna clean up the house. And when the kids wake up from their nap, we're gonna reattempt the hike that we did for Olga's birthday and try and make it all the way to the waterfall. So that's our plan for the day.
Yep. than Starbucks?
Better than Starbucks.
Who the heck needs Starbucks?
Who needs it?
Not us. Everett and I are heading to the doctor. They got him in same day. He's been having like really bad stomach issues, and I've always just blamed lactose. I can't pinpoint what it is exactly, so I think it's time. Everett, we're gonna go see the doctor. You're gonna wear your fancy mask. I'm hoping we can get referred to an allergist because I feel like he needs that. It'd be nice to know exactly what he's allergic to, what his sensitivities are, all of that. Gonna go to the doctor?
I'm gonna go in the doctor.
Yeah. Just gonna press on your tummy. It's super weird being out in public with Everett. It's been like 4 months since he's been anywhere. He's expected to wear a mask, but I am not anticipating him wearing it. See how it goes. Is this weird? It's been like 4 months since you've been anywhere. Yeah? Let's go.
I'll wear my phone.
Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. So we're back in the car now. He basically just gave us 2 referrals to a gastroenterologist, something like that, a GI doctor, and what else? An allergist. He gave us a referral for that as well. So as soon as those come in, we are going to get him in as soon as we can. He definitely said that it doesn't sound like it's normal, so glad I brought him in. Glad we're getting the ball rolling on this. Definitely something that we need to figure out.
So Everett and Olga just got back from the hospital from his appointment. I think everything went okay. Now he's listening to his favorite song, You're Welcome from Moana.
Everett is doing some watercoloring over here. Good job, Everett.
I am whipping up some lemonade. Olga squeezed a bunch of lemons the other day, and we already made a pitcher with basil leaves. And for this batch, we're making it with mint leaves. So I am making the sugar syrup right now, and I put a couple mint leaves in there from Olga's garden. And I'm telling myself that cooking them infuses the flavor more. I don't know if that's true or not.
What do you have? You got toast? Are we gonna go on a hike?
Going fike.
A hike? Layla's over there unbothered. Jeffrey's over here drumming on his leg. Think you like that sometimes?
Got Moana stuck in my head.
Parent life. We're headed on our hike now. Jeff made his lemonade.
I did.
Gonna enjoy some lemonade after this as we serve it. Should add some prosecco in there.
Great.
Quackenbush's take on the trail. Got the whole thing to ourselves. Theo.
I don't have the donut.
I don't have a donut. We're in the forest. We don't have donuts out here. Are you vlogging? Oh, thank you. Good job. Sissy's vlogging. Good job, Layla.
We are here. Everett is in his cool new backpack. Mommy and Layla are there with Theo, who just found a lizard.
He wants to eat it.
Oh boy. Theo with his shoes on. We got here and it is currently 6:48 and they close the gates at 8. So we've got a little more than an hour to get up and back 6 miles. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we make it to the waterfall today, huh buddy? And I'm just glad that Everett's happy. Layla appears to be happy. Layla, are you happy? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Nice.
I am so happy. Daddy, are you happy?
I'm happy. Horse turd on the trail.
You don't want it?
Pulling dog. All right, here we go. We made it to the creek, which is about as far as we made it last time. We only made it a little past the creek last time. So hopefully we'll make it all the way up there. We're flying right now.
Everyone's still comfortable.
Hopefully.
Okay.
Wow, Everett, look at deer. Look, buddy. You see it out there? You see it? All right. We are almost there. This hike is taking quite a while. And last time we came, the park ranger said that the gates close at 8. Waterfall this way. But there was no park ranger there today. I didn't see a sign that said they closed at 8. And we still saw people heading down the trail like right before us. So sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Hopefully we don't get locked in here. We are excited to be almost there.
We're not the only ones right now.
Ready, buddy? Almost there. It's gonna be cool. Creek down there. And the waterfall must be over here. Here we are at the waterfall. Hey, what do you think? Is it cool? Wawa. And mommy is up there. And now it's time to go home. Mommy and Layla. Hi. Heading home. Cool waterfall. We are finally sitting down to eat our dinner at 11 at night. Olga made scallops Alfredo, and it's pretty good. I just had a bite. The kids are finally in bed. Our hike was very long. It took much longer than we anticipated. I think the trail was longer than the park ranger told us before. But we did not get locked in, so at least we went all the way, saw the waterfall. And probably the second half an hour to 45 minutes of our walking out was in the dark. Olga was a little bit scared, but we made it. Both of us are exhausted. We're gonna eat our dinner and go to bed.
I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm just sitting here shopping for some dairy-free alternatives to Everett's diet on Amazon Fresh. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and keep an eye out for the next one. Bye guys.